How to make transparent blur effect or glass effect in Adobe Photoshop. First open your rectangle tool, and then create a rectangle. Click the fill color. You can choose whatever color you like, so I'm gonna choose white. Then close Properties window. Now duplicate background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Move the background copy above rectangle layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 20 pixels. Then click OK. Go back to Filter, Noise, and add noise. Make the amount 5%. The distribution uniform, and then uncheck the monochromatic. Select the layer below. Click the FX icon and choose the stroke. Make the size 3 pixel. The position inside. The blend mode normal. The opacity 50%. And the color white. Then click OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.